Hi guys, so today we're going to see how to graph a rational function. First of all, you have to factorize your function to see if your graph has holes and to know what's going to be your vertical asymptote. So I'm going to show you how it looks like factorized. So now that our equation is factorized, we see that we can cancel the x minus 3. That means that the coordinate of the gap at x is at x equals 3 because you equalize it to 0. And to know where your y coordinate of the gap is, you just have to substitute the plus 3 in the x's. So I'm going to show you how. So now that we have our gap coordinate, we can see where is our vertical asymptote. To see where is our vertical asymptote, you just equalize the denominator at 0. The next step is to see if our function have horizontal asymptote or slant asymptote. To see that, we go back to the original function and see how the coefficients are, because there are 3 rules for graphing the horizontal asymptote. So let me show you which ones are. So in this case, we apply the third rule that says that if P is bigger than Q, you have a slant asymptote. To know how is your slant asymptote, you have to make a long division. Here we have to add the space of the x squared. So now that we have our vertical and slant asymptote, we have to get our x and y intercepts. For getting our y-intercept, you have to input to the function 0, and you will get that the y-intercept is at 0, 0. Then, for getting the x-intercept, you have to factorize the numerator and equalize everything to 0. So you will get that the x-intercept is at minus 3, 0, and also at 0, 0. Then we graph the slant asymptote. Here we have this type of equation. So we start, our first point is going to be at 2/3. So it's going to be right here. And then we move 1 up and 3 at your right. So finally, we will have our graph looking like this. So now I'm going to show you at Desmos how it looks like. So as seen before, the purple line is the vertical asymptote. Then the orange line is the slant asymptote. And it looks very similar to the one we did before. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.